Welcome to the Aftermarket Review from Auto Repair Focus, bringing you a look at some of the big news stories in the aftermarket from the past 7 days. I'm editor Phil Curry, and before we get started, don't forget that you can find Auto Repair Focus at autorepairfocus.com. And if you're into social media, then you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and subscribe to us on YouTube. So let's get started. And GS Yuasa has launched a brand new advertising campaign called Powering What Matters, which is hitting TV screens nationwide. Centered around a 40-second television advert, the campaign explores the world of GS Yuasa through the eyes of 6-year-old Isabella and her mother as they go about their day noticing the many exciting applications powered by the battery manufacturer. The campaign launched on Monday 17th of January and will be carried across the likes of ITV, Absolute Radio, YouTube, social media and digital billboards across the UK, highlighting the vast range of applications that utilise GS Yuasa batteries. Now, this isn't just obviously cars and motorbikes. GS Yuasa has a vast number of batteries in many different markets, from starter batteries to satellites, and it's really going to help boost numbers and make awareness of the campaign of the brand grow. So be remembered that you can sell off the back of that. Now, LKQ Euro Car Parts has announced the opening of its first branch in Cirencester. Located in the Love Lane Industrial Estate on Midland Road, the new store gives drivers and garages in the area convenient local access to the 160,000 strong range of car, light commercial vehicle and specialty parts. The Cirencester branch is the first in the town, but it does also have sites across the southwest of England, including Gloucester, Bristol and Bath. Now, a quick call to action. Time is running out for you to enter the British Independent Garage of the Year Awards, or the Big Awards. You have until midnight on the 31st of January to submit your entry, and there's many different categories you can look at. Independent Garage of the Year, Small, Large and Overall, Customer Service Award, Communication Award, EV Specialist Award. There's plenty to talk about. The event will take place on Friday the 19th of August 2022 at Farnborough International Convention and Conference Centre and is held alongside the British Motor Show. All shortlisted garages will win 2 tickets to a one-of-a-kind awards evening, packed with entertainment and dancing to the early hours. And if you want to find out more about that, then visit the IGA website or have a look at autorepairfocus.com. Again, great time to plug the website name. Now, AJD Tools, since launching in late 2021, has continued to thrive and grow in popularity with garages and technicians, and has expanded its website as a result. This includes even more product categories. These provide technicians with greater access to a wide range of high-quality tools and equipment from established and leading global manufacturers, covering bodywork, braking, electronics, engines, fluids, thermal systems, and wheels. Technicians can also access a large product range from well-known manufacturer Hooby Tools, as well as numerous videos on how the products work. And finally, Fashion Research has revealed the UK's safest cars of 2021, with EV and hybrid models demonstrating impressive safety advancements ahead of the 2030 ban on internal combustion engine sales. Making a positive impact this year included the Polestar 2, which you can see on screen there. They're brutal, these crash tests. Also making a good impact, the Qashqai from Nissan, the all-electric Enyaq by Skoda, the hybrid electric Toyota Yaris Cross as well. Expert judges favoured affordable vehicles that will bring the biggest safety benefits to the greatest number of drivers. Of particular importance were robust active crash avoidance systems, effective passive occupant protection features, well-delivered driver interface technology, and a commitment to standard fitment across the range. And we got through all of that. I didn't have to read it off anything at all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to find us on autorepairfocus.com. You can also subscribe to us on YouTube, and again, if you're on Twitter, Facebook or Instagram, give us a look. For now, however, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode.